So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Bitcoin dumping the market today, going into a new week. As I say in every single video, obviously we've been looking really good for altcoins over the past few weeks. Dogecoin here was looking like it had a really good week. Another consolidation here, looking like we could have easily got a continuation, and then Bitcoin comes out with, oh, I'm just gonna fuck the markets up today, basically, which happens really regularly at the minute, and it's very annoying. The second that altcoins start to get some momentum, Bitcoin decides I'm just going to drop by like $5,000, and it takes all the sting out of the markets and dumps the markets down, really stopping them from getting any kind of momentum. It's been the same thing over and over again this cycle for altcoins. Every time they just start to think that they're going to get some momentum, Bitcoin obviously has a big red candle day. You can see we were already dropping down overnight to this level of area of support here, and then London Open dropped us further here, sweeping out tons of liquidity below. The altcoin basket here having a big fat rejection from all-time highs here. You can see we made new all-time highs, and we've come down, swept out a ridiculous amount of liquidity, dropping by an amazing $13 billion. Is that $13 billion dropped to the downside over the past 3 or 4 days there. Pretty incredible. But as you can see, because of that, Dogecoin's obviously retraced here quite significantly, although looking at pretty relatively strong compared to a few other cryptos. You can see they're all just following Bitcoin pretty much one for one. When we dump to the downside, this usually happens. You can see here Dogecoin looking like basically it was coming down, holding this 618 Fibonacci over and over again, looking like it really wanted to bounce, but Bitcoin had other ideas here, dumping the market down, as we can see. So right now Dogecoin looking like it's basically in a bit of a liquidity sweep and potential V-shaped backup situation. You got your accumulation, manipulation, distribution, which is what I would really be looking for. But as you can see here, Dogecoin obviously a lot of work to do to get back up to the highs we were at last week. 24 cents though, still looking for we could get a good potential bounce out of this previous area of resistance as support, and obviously if we can get back above that 618 Fibonacci, that would still be good. Dogecoin, I think, still showing relative strength compared to the rest of the altcoin space. You can see it's been slowly and indomitably grinding to the upside in this cycle, despite the fact that altcoins in general have been pretty poor, and a lot of these large caps have really been struggling. Obviously Dogecoin I would consider one of the untouchable cryptos that's probably going to have a great time of things. But right now, as you can see, having a retrace today in line with Bitcoin. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.